Download and install Busy Online. Are you excited to start using Busy Online? First, you will need to download and install it. Downloading and installing process of Busy Online is very easy. Let's start how to download and install Busy Online. To download Busy Online, visit our website www.busy.in and click on the resource. Under this, select download option. The first option there is for downloading the Busy desktop setup, but the second option is for the Busy Online client. Choose to download the Busy Online client. After it's downloaded, you will need to extract the contents of the zip folder. Simply right-click on the folder and extract. Upon doing so, an icon will appear on the desktop representing Busy Online. To open Busy Online, simply click on the Busy Online icon and enter the credentials that you received on your email. After that, you can easily open your company by clicking on the Open Company within the app. You can easily use Busy Online from anywhere and at any time. To purchase Busy Online, get in touch with your nearest channel partner or call us at 82828 28282. For more such videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.